Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Update. Now let's tap on date and time, which is right here. So let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are not available, so we cannot manually change it. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, just tap on this switcher, and now we can freely tap on date and change it by swiping. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, and it will be immediately applied. We can also change the time zone. Just tap on this option, find the time zone you'd like to apply and tap on it, and it will be immediately applied, of course. Now you can change the time format, so 24-hour one or 12-hour one, and you can decide whether you want to display dual clock, which means that you can set the first clock with your current time zone and the second one with the time zone from any other place in the world. And you can decide how you want to display it. So that's pretty nice option. You can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and you can go back to all previous options just by tapping on the switcher to set the time automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.